Welcome back to the lock-up and the 125. Christmas and New Year have passed out the way. Things are flowing again from eBay and things, so I've got some new parts. First off is a replacement brake pedal. Actually in nicer condition than the original one was, not surprisingly. And also the centre stand and brake pedal pivot there. Now the idea is that this will fit in there, screw in, fits through the centre stand just like so. I think it's actually from the opposite side. Well, that's about right. And that way there. That was working before anyway. What wasn't working previously was this was seized onto the old one completely, so you can see that's working as it's meant to. Nice free motion there, and that's what's meant to happen. So that'll be getting cleaned up slightly. Some copper slip on there just to stop it from seizing in future, and it'll go back together. But before then, what we've got is this stuff: Hammerite smooth direct to metal paint. Now we've got a fair bit of surface corrosion on the centre stand, also on the swing arm, torsion lever, and the frame generally. Now I'm not doing a complete restoration job on it, but what I do intend to do is, when I brush this, get some of the worst muck and corrosion off, get some of that on this area, and then the centre stand. Then I can get the centre stand back on the bike, up on the centre stand. That will allow me to remove the swing arm, withdrawing this bolt and the pivot there, obviously the wheel and the shocks off, get the swing arm repainted as well while I'm at it, and then the whole thing back together. So that is the plan. And it turns out the centre stand was in far better condition than I first thought. I'd still give it a coat of paint just to cover things up, the various chips and things to its surface. Well, I've got it off anyway. But most of what was on there was actually just muck, which for the most part came off quite well with the wire brush, so that's a good start. Leave that there like so. That'll do that.